Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 645 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an alarm and then show you an example of the alarm, including the snooze option and how it works. So let's go on and get started. We get into the alarm function by holding the up button until the options open. From here, we'll just scroll down using the down button until we see alarm clock, and you select that using the start or stop button. So the first thing we need to do is actually create an alarm. So we'll just select add an alarm by using the start or stop button. So once you've selected add alarm, it'll bring us in the options for our alarm. So it's going to give us the standard time of 12 a.m. We can just select into that and then scroll through to get the time that we actually want. So I'll just get that configured real quick. After we've configured the time, we can determine when it repeats. So you can do daily, you can do weekdays, weekends, and then also custom, where you can select every day of the week, which is really cool. And then after that, we can choose the sounds. Will it make a tone? Will it just vibrate? So it's great. You don't have to wake up your roommate or your bedmate, anything like that. You can have it just vibrate. I'll have tone and vibrate for this example. And then we can configure if the backlight will turn on from this alarm. So really cool there. Another way to make it more discreet. And then finally, you can choose a label. You have several pre-configured labels, just so it's easily recognizable. And then after that, you can delete it. At the top, we can also turn it on or off. So I'm just going to go back and we'll see what this alarm looks like. All right, so we'll see the alarm right now. So as you can see, I can dismiss it using the start or stop button, or I can use the down button to snooze it. And when you snooze, it'll come back in 10 minutes. So that's how you create an alarm on the Garmin Forerunner 645. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 645 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.